Hello, in front of me I have WITHINGS Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this smartband. To force restart this smartband, press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the band turns off. And after the band turns off, you can release the side button and then press and hold it again to turn on the band and wait until the band is done booting into a system. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds for it to turn off. Okay, once the screen turns off, keep holding it for a second or two more, and then you can release the button, and at this point your smartband should be turned off. And after it turns off, you can turn it back on, or rather you don't need to even. You can just wait and it will turn on automatically. But if it doesn't turn on, press and hold the side button and it should turn on after a second or two. As you can see, we're back into a system, and that's how you force restart this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.